Hello, welcome back. In the previous segment, we discussed how to use the JDK serial filter to make sure that we are only deserializing the allowed list of classes. For example, if we wanted to only deserialize, say, customer info or Java util array list, we will list them one by one. And then we say, don't deserialize anything else. That's the exclamatory mark followed by star. Okay, this is applied at the JVM level for all the classes, all the input streams or files or whatever you have, right? So this may be too much of a restriction because we are applying it for all of the streams. What if we wanted to be more specific to a particular stream? Okay, so let's say you have a binary stream and you would like to deserialize only that stream for a particular allowed list. Instead of having a global allowed list, you want to have sort of allowed list per stream. Yeah, that is the reason for calling it context-specific deserialization. Deserialize means secure version. Okay. All I'm doing is I'm specifying the allowed list of types. Okay. I'm specifying, for example, in this case, everything in the list will be accepted according to the expected types, and I'm passing that expected types to the deserialization secure implementation, which takes the binary stream as input. So now we configure the way deserialization works only for this particular stream in this case, and these are the allowed types. Okay, and we can take a look at the deserialization logic, how I'm doing that. Serialization util, and I'll show you the secure version, right? As you can see, we are taking the binary file and the expected types, and we are using something called look ahead object input stream, which is a class that I defined. Okay, but look at the arguments. It's taking the file, creating a file input stream, and then creating a buffered input stream and passing it to my class, as well as the expected types that we are allowing to deserialize. And then we call the read object. Okay, this is the secure version. The insecure version is basically here. It trusts everything in the file. It creates the read object from the file content. There's no notion of is the type present in the file matches the type that is allowed. That is not checked here. We are checking it here in the secure version, right? We are specifying the expected types. Okay, now let me show you my look ahead object input stream. Look ahead object input stream. Although I said you need to pass the expected types, my look ahead is a little bit more flexible. You don't have to put the full class name. You can just put a prefix of allowed. Okay, so you need to be careful which classes you wanted to allow. That's basically the allowed list. All I'm doing here is, as you can see here, here is my look ahead input stream, and it is calling the Java's input stream object input stream constructor. And of course, it's keeping a copy of the allowed prefix in the array list here. And it's overriding this resolve class method, which is declared here in the object input stream. So we are overriding it. Before resolving, I'm going through each of the allowed types and see whether the class name present in the incoming stream starts with my allowed types. If it is, then we stop by returning super.resolve class, which will go ahead and resolve the class. If there is no match, we throw an exception. Okay, that means we are trying to deserialize something malicious, very likely. That's the reason why we throw an exception. Now, take a look at the deserialization utility again, right? I create the look ahead first and then go ahead and call the read object. This time, it will only work if my binary stream has the type that is mentioned in one of the allowed types. I will be now running this Java deserialize main secure. As you can see here, I am getting an error message saying it's not allowed because I'm trying to resolve a victim class, right? Which is not part of the allowed list, because if you look at my allowed list, I'm only allowing customer info. Okay, that is the reason why I am not able to deserialize. So that's the basic idea of this look ahead object stream class, which essentially overrides the resolve class, reads the type present in the incoming stream and match it up against the allowed list. Okay, I hope you find this informative. Thank you.